What's up, YouTube family? This video is part of a group of videos called What's That Noise? These videos are designed to help you either figure out what's going on with your own car or explain what's going on with your car to a mechanic. There's a whole playlist of videos, so check them out. Let me know if you have any questions and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're hearing this type of clicking, especially while turning, usually that means your CV joint is going out. They don't usually rebuild these anymore, so usually you just replace the entire axle. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link's in the description.